I'm Peter Evans, I'm the manager of Sheffield City Archives. For over 150 years, our librarians and archivists have been gathering together documentary material that helps tell the story of Sheffield. We collect documents from a wide variety of organisations and individuals, schools, hospitals, businesses and families, charities, faith organisations, social clubs, the City Council and its predecessors, from newspapers and photographic libraries, and courts and coroners. If it reflects life in Sheffield, chances are it finds a home here. At the heart of the archives is a simple idea, capturing the lived experience of Sheffield people. Everyone has a story, and we want to preserve as many of those stories as we can. That way, people today and long into the future can look back and discover what Sheffield was really like. And there's a lot to discover. The City Archives is packed with fascinating material stretching back many centuries. You'll find original records of major events like the Great Flood of 1864, the rise of the steel and cutlery industries, both world wars, right through to more recent events such as the 1991 World Student Games and the COVID pandemic. Our archives come in all shapes and sizes. The smallest and oldest is a tiny parchment deed dating from 1150 about a land exchange near Spittal Hill at the Wicker. At the other end of the scale we have a petition from the 19th century that's more than 17 metres long. There are also huge Victorian ledgers, giant maps and plans, and in more modern times, VHS videos, CDs, memory sticks and hard drives. Everything is stored safely in our secure strong room, where staff keep a close eye on the temperature and humidity. This carefully managed environment helps make sure the documents survive for at least another 1,000 years. Our specialist conservation team is on hand to repair items that arrive from damp basements or hot and dusty attics. Through their expertise, they can safely repair wax seals, parchment deeds, book bindings, as well as medieval court rolls and large maps and plans. We also digitise material, which helps preserve the originals and also makes them available to as many people as possible.
Here we are in the reception store at Sheffield Archives, which is where we bring items that come into us, new accessions, which come in from all sorts of sources and all sorts of storage conditions, not necessarily most archival. So we put them in here in a sort of quarantine area where they can be assessed and the conservator can have a look at them to see whether repairs are needed, there is any mould on the items that might need assessing before we can move them through to the strong room.
The archives are open to everyone. Apart from a small number of confidential items, around 90% of the collection is available for anyone to come and explore. People use the archives for all sorts of reasons, researching their family tree or the history of their house, or learning about their community, or just because they're fascinated by Sheffield's history. Our staff are always happy to help point visitors in the right direction. And if you prefer to explore from home, more and more of our material is available online. That includes our Anglican church registers, which you can find on ancestry.com and Find My Past. Access to Find My Past is free when you use it here at the archives or in any of Sheffield's libraries.